This is actually a problem that one of you Panzoid makers might have a problem about. So you might be logging into Panzoid and you see this, which is just literally nothing. I have no idea what it is. So you log into Panzoid, and you just see this blank screen that it's just gonna be staying there for a while. But I found a solution to the problem, and I know how to fix it. You'll be able to still make intros and that. So here, right, you go to this lock button called View Site Information. Press that, press Cookies, or press Remove, done, and then reload the page. Right, and then press on Clip Maker. And then it might be fixed. So I hope playing like the person who made this is hoping I wanna hope to fix it. Oh gosh. Right, so you'll be able to still make the intro. You'll be able to make intros.
But I'll just be happy no matter what.
I'll make one for you now. Okay. Oh, I don't want to do that. Ah! You see, it will happen, and then you'll just have to get rid of it. The cookie, right? Do not block it, cause that won't help. So if you guys are watching this, you gotta get an intro. I'll also leave a form into the description.